Today is bag drop day, so let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back here. Today is bag drop day, so today I'm gonna sell bags and accessories just here and on my website bamluxury.com. We are based in Europe, but we sell worldwide. So do not hesitate if you are unsure about the customs, duties, and every other fees. I can help you around that, and we can work on the price. You can pay in payment plans, so in one time if you wish, of course, 2, 3, or 4 times without any fees. So just let's dive in. I'm not gonna start with this one first. I'm gonna keep this baby for after, but I'm gonna start with a vintage bag that I really love. Actually, this is a saddle bag from Dior. This one is a vintage, as you can see. We had a Bordeaux red canvas. This is a fabric canvas, as you can see. This is a very famous one at Louis Vuitton. This is a very famous one at Dior, and the condition of this one is gorgeous. I'm pretty impressed, actually. You have some natural use here on some side, but otherwise the condition is great. Like, the canvas is amazing, the fabric is amazing. Inside also, I'm not sure you're gonna see everything, but inside is perfect. You have no stain. We have the sticker here. It is gorgeous, actually. Like, I'm impressed. We have everything, and it's the perfect little bag. Concerning the price, I'm gonna give you the price in euro, and you will have on the screen the price in USD, of course. The price is 420 euro. I'm very excited about this one, actually. If you want it, it's available on the website bamluxury.com. I will add on the description of this video every links of the bags I'm showing to you today. What else can I say? We have free shipping with Mondial Relay in Europe. Otherwise, we ship with UPS or DHL, depending on what's available and what you prefer, of course. Consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and also to like this video. It's always like a very huge pleasure. Don't hesitate to comment, like to say, I love this bag, or I wish I could buy this one, or I'm gonna buy this one. Anything, like I'd be very happy like to receive more comments under my video, because it's always a pleasure to read you and also to reply to you. So don't be shy. I'm not gonna bite. So yeah, I'm always like super happy when I receive any comment under the video. So be free to leave a comment. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you now this amazing and huge baby. So this is almost a full set. We have the box and the dust bag for this one. So as you can see, this is a Louis Vuitton. So we are going to unbox this together. I'm actually very excited to have the box, because this is very unusual for this type of bags. And yes, this is cool, because people tend to not keep boxes. Personally, I always keep all the boxes. I don't know you, tell me in the comment, do you keep boxes of your bags or not? So this is it. So we have the dust bag here, and we even have like little papers from Vuitton, but I'm gonna put the box on the side back here, and we are going to unbox this. So as you can see, this is like a huge baby. I'm excited. I'm so excited because we have here the Louis Vuitton Montaigne monogram canvas bag with the strap. The condition is very good. We have a padlock here. We have everything. And oh God, this is gorgeous. The condition is really, really nice. I love it. As you can see, we have the locker here. We have the keys inside. The condition of this bag is amazing. We have another bag, like here you have some little damage, but it's like because it was used a little bit, but otherwise this is such in a good condition. The leather parts are starting to caramelize, but it's nothing too big. Inside is huge. I love this bag. This is the third one we have at BAM Luxury Store, and every time they sold out so freaking quick, because this bag is not sold anymore at Louis Vuitton, this size I mean. Now this is just a gorgeous bag, and I'm gonna give you a price right now. We're not gonna wait any longer. 1,669 euro, which is an amazing price. It's almost a full set, so I love it. Okay, we're gonna put this baby bag in the dust bag. Okay guys, so now I have another item I want to show you. I'm sure you are going to love it. I know it's gonna sell very, very, very fast. It's the first time I receive one here to sell. I'm excited. I wanted to keep this one because it's been like ages I'm looking for one for myself, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna please you. So here it is. I want this one like for ages. The condition of this one on the outside is amazing. I have to say it's gorgeous, and I'm gonna show you also the inside, which is very good. We have some stains of lipstick inside. I'm gonna try to remove it, so but I think you can remove it, but it's only on the side. Otherwise, the condition is pretty amazing. Like, it's truly gorgeous. And concerning the price, so this one is the cosmetic pouch. This is a PM size. You have like a very, very little stain here. I think it looks like glitter, but it's very little. And the price is 330 euro, which is very low. So this one is available. I'm gonna go for another one. I'm gonna go for this. So this is a Chanel wallet, black caviar, vintage, amazing. Condition is great. Like, I have to say, outside is very, very good. Even on the corners, it's great. It's perfect, actually. Like, the outside is amazing. The press buttons worked fine. And yeah, the inside is also very good. As you can see, we have the Chanel here. We have the Made in France over here. I'm just having a look on the pouch inside. Yeah, it's good actually. Like, you have like lots of pockets here for cards. You have another bigger pocket here. I'm having a look, but it's gorgeous. I love it. And we have here the coin section. Here it doesn't close like super properly, but you can open and close still. So yeah, it doesn't close anymore super properly. We have the authenticity card for this one, but the price is going to be very low. I don't have any sticker anymore. I'm having a look on this one, but I don't remember having like a sticker on this one. No, I do not have any sticker for this one, unfortunately, but it's fine. We had the authenticity card, and of course I authentify myself everything and by experts too. So the price for this one also will be very low. It's 290 euro, which is a very, very good deal for this type of wallets. Okay, I'm gonna show you now another item that is available now. This is the Celine Pouch, Triomphe Canva. It's half canvas, half leather. It's truly amazing. Like, I love it. I love it, I love it. So I'm gonna show you a bit closer. So on the outside, we have like here a part in leather. This way you can wear the pochette more easily. In the front, like the leather part is caramelized, obviously, because like it's not a brand new one. We have some used here on the corners, on the other side also, but it's nothing that big. We have a zipper pochette just here, a zipper pouch, which is inside like satin fabric, I would say. Very good condition, nothing to say. Inside now, we have a huge pocket here. Inside is like brown leather, so it's good. And we have another zipper pouch just here. So I think like this pouch is so useful because you have so many pockets. And yeah, the condition is actually super, super good. I'm actually very impressed. We have the Celine Paris sticker, like tags with the certain number. Everything looks gorgeous on this one, and this is a very, very good pouch you have. The price is insane. It's 179 euro. This is very low. Oh, and I forgot to mention we have another pouch here. It's no zipper pouch, but still it has it's here still, so it's actually very good. Okay, so it was Wednesday backdrop day. I hope you enjoyed it. The way it works is explained in the description, but at 6 p.m. Paris time, and it's like 12 p.m. East time, so New York City time, I released an email. If you subscribe to the newsletter, you will receive the email at 12 p.m. New York City time. If not, I really invite you to subscribe because you will receive the email before everyone else. Then the video here released at 6:30 p.m. Paris time, so 12:30 New York City time. And then I go live on Instagram and TikTok at 9 p.m. Paris time, and it's like 3 p.m. New York City time. So I hope I will see you on the live soon. Also, don't be shy. And yeah, it's always such a pleasure to source you these type of items. I'm always so impressed It's like being like a kiddo in front of like so many gifts from Christmas. This is like such a passion, and I'm so happy to be able to like having my own business around the bags, luxury bags, accessories. I'm super beyond happy. So thank you to make this possible, guys. See you very soon for another video this Sunday. And yeah, have a good day, have a good night. Bisous.